you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laviva. Okay. Yes, can you tell the difference? Happy New Year, guys, by the way. Can you tell the difference? You can see my new look, my new cuts. Okay, I hope you love it. Yes, welcome back once again. It's good to to see you guys here. I've missed recording. I had to attend to some very urgent things, and it's good to be back, and I can't wait to to create a lot of fancy and amazing looks this year. Okay, today I'll be doing a very quite a soft look, a winged liner, like a cool neutral shadow. Like I said, I've done my brows, then I'll do a pink lips, just something cool and I just want to look beautiful. That kind of look. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Okay, now let's get right to it. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please, watch my videos, subscribe, and to the regulars. Okay, now let's get right to it. Now first up, I'll be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk as my high primer. I'll be using the Soft X eyeshadow palette. Then I'll be using this color, this peach toned eyeshadow on my eyes, on my eyelids. Like I always say, pat, pat, pat. Please don't forget to pat. That's the best way to apply a shadow. To get the best out of your shadow, you pat. Just pat it on as usual to the crease. Now make sure it follows the natural shape of your eyes. It's such a way that when you're looking down, it looks really nice. Next time I'm gonna be applying this nude shimmer shadow on my brow bones. Okay, just to lift my eyes. Using the tip of my fingers, I'm just gonna blend it. I don't really need a brush for this area. Okay. Alright. Now the next thing I'm doing is I'm going to be applying a black shadow first on the crease using an angled brush. Okay. You have to open your eyes and do this. Now I want to add depth to the eyes. I want the black to be a bit pronounced. Now, I'm going to smudge the black a little, but make sure I'm keeping it in place. Just smudge it a little. Yeah, you have to blend the spots, so you can't really tell where the shadow started from. Now, close to the black, not on top of it, just close to it. If you just go on and apply a really light brown, you have to go from the darkest to the lightest, dark, medium, something like that. Can you tell the difference? See that this is when I apply the dark brown. Look at this without the dark brown eyeshadow. Okay, so go on to the other eye. Same way, not on top of it, close to it. You don't want to cover the black eyeshadow. Next time, I'm going to pick like a soft brown, neutral brown. Okay, this shadow. I'm just going to just a the excess. Just of the excess. Just apply in a little bit. It's cool. It's okay. Now next turn, I'm not gonna be doing anything on the high. I'm just gonna stick to the upper eyelid and the other parts of the eyes. Line the eyes. Now from here, got the black eyeshadow stopped here. Here. Yes. The liner come down. No, it's a gradual step. Don't rush it. Now all the shadows stopped, the dark black shadow. So this, at the end of the day, we'll look at the soft cut crease. Okay, let us sit in first. Let us start putting it in place. Next, I'm going to be applying my moisturizer by Cut-Crease Cosmetics. Okay. My Violet. I'm going to be concealing with my Maybelline foundation, a little bit of darker version of my actual shade. Just a little. Just to conceal the spots. These are the actual concealer, just concealing the spot with a darker foundation. I'm gonna be using my actual shade. This part also, I'm just gonna be buffing it into buffing. Using the concealer that is like 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, I'll be using it for my other area and my mouth and my brow, the bridge of my nose, and also I'll be mixing with a peach shade. Bring it close to the nose. You want to make your eye pop. Now let's blend, blend, blend. Off. Up for your beauty blender, whatever that works for you. I'm just accustomed to my brushes. Maybelline All-in-One Smooth Powder on my face. powder by Maybelline. First on the under eye here, using the small setting brush. Yeah, edges of my mouth. Starting from the inner corner of the nose, down my NYX palettes, I have a slim looking nose. I have with the hair. Can you see the difference? Contour brush, my cheekbone down to my hairline. Hair too. The jawline. I lighted the chin, so I'm gonna contour the jawline. All this fat here, I'm just gonna put it there. Okay. Total Temptation palette. I'm going to be lighting this. First the nose. My Zara eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using this blush. Pink. I'm going for a pink lipstick. So I'm using a pink blush. I like the blush because it's really pigmented and it really comes out, sharp. So you just have to be very careful in applying. Be careful not to pick a lot. This lip liner can actually pass as a lipstick, a subtle pink lipstick. Look at how it looks like without lipstick yet. Lipstick from Classic. Alright. Now this light is not doing justice to lip color. Now, fam, you need to see it for real. Damn it. Color. Today, no gloss. Matte. I hope you guys love my look. I mean, this lipstick is the bomb.com. The light doesn't even do justice to how it really looks like. It's really, really, really popping, pink, very, you know, that very pink, that popping pink. Oh, I love it. I hope you love my makeup look. Thank you for watching. I hope you love my look. Like, look at the crease, you know, more like a soft crease look. I look, you know, the lashes, my brows, and the pink lips is really popping. You know, you can actually wear this kind of look into any event or occasion, and you still look good. You know, I hope you love this look. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and please like my video. I'll be in the comment section waiting for you. Please comment. And next week Tuesday, by the grace of God, I'll be doing a Nicki Minaj inspired makeup look. You know, the Barbie queen, the beauty queen. Yes, I will doing an inspired look on, so please kindly look forward to that and please watch out. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and, you know, so we'll see you next time. Happy New Year, girl. Love you. Bye. Okay.